Very good morning, friends. This is Sudhir from All India Human Rights Association from Karnataka. I want to tell you something very important and want to ask the questions to the Indian government and Indian peoples. So, while COVID-19 had started in India from the March to till, the poor people and the medium class people are suffering the lot of problems because they have lost all the income sources and they have no money to live and a common life. Friends, now government of India have to be recover this all the problems of Indian people who had a poor, because where these people have lost the earning sources, they can't able to pay the light bills, water bills and the rent of houses, EMI, just like a lot of complaints are there. So now government is giving 5 kg rice and 5 kg wheat to live happy life to the poor people. I don't know how these actions had been taken the government of India, how the poor people will fight for this, all the issues, all the problems which they are facing till today. I don't know, but public also is not aware for this. So kindly I am requesting to you all people, if you are keep quiet now, then this government will not give to you. They will kill you. This is sure and this is 100% sure. So please awake for this to fight your rights. Our organization, our All India Human Rights Association team is with you to fight against your rights. So you come out of your house and fight against the government and tell him to free the current bill, free the water bill, free the all EMIs which already has stuck of paying to the banks, because this is most important. And in that, all the school and colleges had started the online education with the lot of demands of fees. This is also, I think, very, very bad news for poor people, because when the online education is started that time, suppose in one family there are 2-3 children, then how can they offer the 3 mobiles in one home? How can offer the internet connections to their all phones? This is not a small thing, this is a very big thing, because nowadays they are not able to take a food also a single time. And in that, education societies, education, all the education trusts are taken the wrong decisions. Suppose you are losing of 1 year of education, then no problem, no issues of that. But while COVID-19 had entered and our economical history had collapsed and our India has lost 10 years back now, then why you are thinking about 1 year loss of children's? They are not thinking of children's, they are thinking of own infrastructures, because all the school colleges are from the leaders of political leaders, just like MPs, ministers, MLAs, these all are involved in this. These all are the boss of colleges and schools. So that's why these all are forcing to pay the fees and admissions fees and the donations. So please, you all are come out of house and think of it and give your hands to us to help you. And always there is a All India Human Rights team with you, and from Karnataka also there are a lot of branches, and overall in India there are a lot of branches. So thank you once again to hear this video. Subscribe this if you are like, and comment in the box that what you had taken the decision.